Yo, it is literally 0 degrees outside. Look at this, man. It's not that bad, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's the cold that's bad. The snow is not the issue. Now, looking at the lights in the air and shit, like if you're looking at a parking lot, that snow looks like it's coming down, but it's actually going sideways and getting blown up in the air. That's the issue. I think I'm in the shitty spot. Let's get over. By the way, it's like just us out here, so we're good. Cruising at like 30. This is totally safe. Oh man. Oh yeah, I had the car warming up for like 20 minutes, and I'm not bullshitting you, 20 minutes. And this shit was barely, and I mean barely, up to like above being frozen. It didn't look like it's been started, it was so cold. There was a dead car on the other side of the highway, but I didn't get it. Oh, there's a cop. Policia, ¿qué pasa, amigo? There's a cop going the opposite way. I'm not sure what for. Maybe he's going to give us an escort to White Castle. Boy, it's windy. Oh shit, we got a red light. See, that's the benefit of going slow as fuck. So like, you know, I can stop without sliding in the intersection. That's what the problem is with most of these people out here. They think they can stop. No, you can't. You think you can, you're gonna slide. You got four-wheel slide. You know, you're gonna look really good in that four-wheeler sliding into the intersection of another car. Slow the fuck down and you'll be alright. Your boy needs some new windshield wipers. Now it's hazardous. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna quit recording so I don't die. But anyways, this is Indianapolis right now. It's 0 degrees outside. I'm hungry. I need some fucking White Castles. So, yep. Wish me luck.